How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and today we have actually returned to Lakemont Park for a very quick visit. And the main reason we are here is that Leap the Dips, the world's oldest operating roller coaster, has now finally reopened after being closed for, I want to say, 4 or 5 years. So we're going to hop on that, as well as re-ride Skyliner and just see any quick updates on the park. So let's go inside. So here are the rules for 2020 at Lakemont. The major thing is face covering is recommended but not required. They are selling them though. Alright, there's the park, and I just saw Leap the Dips run, so it's good that it's open.
First time rider, ready for the experience.
Oh yeah.
Are you making like a YouTube video? No, fuck you, Mom.
Oh, they're bringing up the car and they're wiping it down after every cycle, which is good. Alright, here we go. Alright, here comes the double dip. Oh! Oh, that one was rough. Comes the big one. Oh. Woo! Alright, comes the finale. Whoa! That was actually pretty good. Alright, just got off of my first run of the day right now on Leap the Dips, and after about 4 or 5 years of it not operating, I thought that was actually running pretty good, and I was in the back row on that. There's one little portion with the little double dip that was still a little bit rough, but I was actually surprised for the most part. That ride was nice and smooth. That hasn't run that good in a long time, and we're gonna definitely give it a couple more goes. All right, so who do I find here in the middle of Pennsylvania at Leap the Dips but Dan from Midway Mayhem? How's it going?
What a random day, man. It's been a great day here, of course, at Lakemont Park. Had a chance to do Leap the Dips for the first time, and I think it's a fantastic attraction. Like, it's a side friction roller coaster, so you're used to normal upstops and stuff like that. My butt is out of the seat the entire time. I truly like this ride, and it's the oldest wooden roller coaster in the entire world, and I'm so glad it's open right now.
Yep, I totally agree. It's been closed for about 4 or 5 years, and I honestly, it hasn't been running better than ever, honestly.
Yeah,
it's been fantastic. Very, very smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was great running into you, man. It really is.
Nice meeting you and everything else. That kind of a random chance, out of all the places, we're here in, middle of Pennsylvania, and we're meeting at our theme park. It's fun. Thank you for saying hi.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks for meeting up.
Have a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I have never seen them transfer a train on.
You haven't?
No.
Oh, I've actually done it.
Really?
You're in for a treat. This thing's grease lightning.
Oh. Look at those loose.
Why did you sit that one off?
These are early style wheels, from the 1900s. Nothing's been upgraded, so instead of being a roller bearing, it's just a bushing. They just naturally work bad.
Well, I mean, is that why you took the blue one off?
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't want it doing damage to the track.
All right, it's time to ride the Skyliner. Hopefully it's better than last year. Alright, we just got off of Skyliner, and as you can see, they did put some new wood on portions of the ride.
My leg? Insert SpongeBob meme. My leg?
To be honest with you, it's still a little bit rough, but I thought it was running a bit better than last year. Enough so much that I think I'm going to give it a second go. Again, the new wood definitely helped.
Yeah.
It was a little bumpy, but other than that, it was fun.
Once again, just like the Twister, once a year type of ride for me. Once a year. I wouldn't RMC it because you don't honestly have the budget for it. I'm glad it's standing, I will say that.
Another thing to note is that this year they actually added seat belts to the coaster, and honestly for good measure, because you do get a lot of room between you and the buzz bar. But overall, I'm actually having a better time right now this year than my previous visit. Okay, so we are all done with our quick visit here to Lakemont, and we honestly had a really good time. Obviously, the star attraction, Leap the Dips, being back up and running, really put the heart and soul back into this place. And by the way, that ride was running better than ever. Another thing too, it was great to run into some old friends, some fans of the channel, even Dan from Midway Mayhem, so it really made the day worthwhile. So, if you want to ride Leap the Dips, it's open right now, it's running great, and the park is even looking better than ever actually. A lot of things are repainted, it's kept well. The only thing I would say needs is more guests, but take it or leave it with that. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.